Hello, my name is Frankie Moore. I'm a senior at Carnegie Mellon University pursuing a dual degree in chemistry and social and political history. Currently, I'm a junior fellow working with the Preservation, Research and Testing Division, or PRTD for short, on comparing LEDs to more traditional light sources in terms of pigment degradation, with a focus on visualizing fading results.
As you can see, each of these different covers looks slightly different because of the light source. This photo was taken under daylight. This photo was taken under a fluorescent light that was relatively old. This photo was taken under a brand new, cooler LED light, and this photo was taken with an LED light that only emits in the UV.
Different light sources change the appearance of objects, which causes different amounts of light damage for the objects themselves. Museums can use a non-invasive test called the Microphage Test, or MFT for short, to assess the light sensitivity of a collection item. One part of my project is developing a linked data visualization model for MFT data.
We can actually pull up the data on this piece of paper. We can actually read a basic description. So, why was this spot chosen? To analyze the writing ink used in the letter. Well, that's pretty cool, but what about the data associated with it? Well, here it is. This is the spot that was used for the light testing, and this is what the spot looked like before and after the light testing. This is also the reflectance graph, i.e. the light that was reflected off of the spot through each different wavelength of light testing. This is really cool because you can see all of these different pieces of information layered together with one another, which not only makes this data more accessible to scientists, but also to the everyday public viewer. By connecting these spectra to the physical document to a physical point makes it easier to remember why this data is important and will remain with the person viewing the object regardless of their physical location.
Overall, this summer I learned a lot of technical knowledge about the preservation science field as well as colorimetry, both of which will help me in grad school. I learned a lot more about possible government job options post-grad, which I will definitely keep in mind once I start my career. All of my acknowledgements are going to be on the following slide. I would like to just say thank you to everyone that got me to the position to start this internship and helped me carry it out. If it wasn't for you guys, I don't think this wouldn't have been nearly as fun of a summer. So thank you all and goodbye.